Hey guys, we received these dream pairs, kids ankle boots for test and try. So this can be for the boys and girls. So fashion booties with a hook and loop. So as you can see, is a nice shoes with a stylish design and is with the distressed upper and stitching details here. So it's a nice design with a non-slip outsole as you can see with a thick sole, and then it's a non-slip, so it's good. It's a TPR outsole with the good traction quality. So the zipper on the side so that you can easily wear them. It's adjustable and convenient for the straps and the side zipper. So it's a very stable sole and a very nice pair of shoes for your winter use. It can also be used in water or anywhere because they are the waterproof material on the top and adjustable strap. So the nice shoe.